Don't want my sunglasses to fall off. I could build that in a weekend. Come on.
Follow the sun, kick off your shoes and have some fun.
Whoa, what is Daddy doing?
Fixing Mommy's mistake.
Fixing Mommy's mistake?
Again.
I just had to vlog this because this happens to us like once every couple months. I made the mistake this time. Sometimes it's the kids. I left this van like with the radio on because yeah, two of the kids fell asleep in the van yesterday, and I parked it in the garage here and put the garage door down so they were safe in there. Left the van doors open, but I left the music like running low because it helps them sleep better. And I totally forgot to turn the van back off, and I left the van door open. And I came out here and discovered that it was running still, and not the car itself, but the radio was running, and the van was open, so I knew that it was dead. I know this happens to others because I saw this recently on J House Vlogs where he had to, before church, like jump his car because somebody left something on and they were late for church because of it. So I know this happens to other people. I know it's not just us. Hey boy. Let's see your dribbling talents. Yeah, show us what you got. Show us your moves, bud.
He's praying.
Yeah. Everybody needs to get to bed early. Oh, Daddy's showing his moves. Come on, show us, Daddy. Show us what you got here. So hopefully soon we'll be able to get going to the nursery because I wanted to get there before lunch. And you know how it is with a big family, like everything takes it's like a big production. That it's such a great day for yard sales. I don't know why I didn't think of that. Like, we need to start hitting up some yard sales some of these weekends. That would be fun. And that's how it's done, right?
Yeah, this is basically the extent of my automotive expertise. This and putting oil in. That's about it.
Can you believe it, guys? We are finally on our way. It's only 11 o'clock. I had wanted to get going by like 10. But
she has these times in her own brain and never tells anybody what time she wants to get going. See the back part?
Oh my god. I could scream as loud as I can.
Whoa. Wow, look at that hill of color. That's so pretty. We just took some pictures.
No, Brody!
You can't run.
There's a path right there.
We're gonna go up the path, I guess. They have a path like that goes up so you can walk. We're gonna wind up this hill, up the Flowery Hill. This is really impressive. We gotta stop and look, guys. Whoa, watch out for him. He makes me nervous. Wow.
You can see everything. Let's go.
I'm not quite yet.
Just wait, Cohen. We're not done yet. Oh, look, there's 2 ways to go up.
Yep, one goes down the back side.
Ooh,
Dark cave.
a cave. Whoa.
Ooh. That would be good.
Here they come. Whoa, they have a big waterfall here, Daddy.
Boy pond. I think we should build one of these at our house. What do you think?
With
It'll
what?
take like a weekend, right?
With what time?
It'll only take like a weekend, right?
Hey, girl.
Check it out, it's a dinosaur. And it's or some sort of dragon. I don't know. They should charge admission for this place. Maybe they shouldn't. That's pretty cool. Don't want my sunglasses to fall off. I could build that in a weekend, come on. Where did Cohen go? Oh my word, it's like a jungle in here. I feel like Survivor Man. We get through. We get back to the path. Oh, there we go. Whew. Yep, definitely one of the coolest nurseries ever. All right.
I wonder if people get married, like, or like take pictures for weddings here. Look, kind of looks weddingish.
Yeah.
I would slide down the rock and I would say, ow.
And you'd hurt your butt?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
I would land.
Where would you land?
I'm right in the water.
Oh, cool.
I would bring my beta seat and jump in there.
That sounds like a plan.
I don't think they would approve. But he said he wished they could slide down the rocks and live in the water.
Yeah. Yeah. Check this place out. It is like a sea of color. How do you choose? How do we choose? Yeah, we're kind of overwhelmed. So we got to pick out a few things out of these thousands of gorgeous plants.
I figured it's a nice little homeschool project to teach them about plants. So I let them pick out what they wanted there, like something small and not very expensive. And the terracotta pots weren't expensive. And they're just gonna plant them.
Put the plant in first, and then we'll fill around in it with the dirt.
Hold the side of it and then push it out.
Yeah, stick it in. There you go. Wow, you're doing good there.
There's not much room to fill in.
Daddy,
What?
this might be too big.
Very good.
There you go, Cohen. It's yours.
She likes to go down the slide herself now, like a biggie girl. Woo! Yay! So I thought that if you homeschool, that's a nice little thing to do. Like take your kids to a nursery around, like a nursery that you know is like a really cool nursery, like the one we went to today. Like find the best one that's the largest, that has the most things to look at. And then to have them pick a plant and a pot, and when they get home, they can learn more about plants by taking care of their own plant.
Mine flower is the prettiest because it's bright.
Wow. Well, the boys like the red color. Talia also picked flowers for these pots too when we were at the nursery. That are for Mommy and Daddy on the porch. Good job, Talia. Take a bow. Somebody just discovered I
She doesn't know
videotaped.
how to play Happy Birthday or Juicy Around.
So she has her neighbor, Elena, over right now. And they are playing the piano. And I just had to capture that moment because I thought it was so cute.
So I was giving Cohen a haircut, and Julie starts like freaking out, like, you know, like there's a mouse in the house or something.
There was, actually.
And there was actually a mouse in the house, but that's a different story. She walked upstairs to a big fat mess, and I said, okay, what's the big fat mess? And she said, the boys took everything off of their bed and threw it on a pile on the floor. Okay, no big deal. They do that like every other day. And then she said, no, everybody's bed.
Pillows.
Our bed, Talia's bed, the crib, all of the pillows
and the towels. There was a whole line of towels. Show that.
and towels,
These used to have a
including
whole bunch of towels.
this empty rack, which used to have bath towels and beach towels, and took them all and put them into a nice, neat, well, not neat, but a nice big pile like that.
We did it.
Ready?
And you want to see who the mastermind behind this was?
Of course.
There he is, the evil Dr. Porkchop. The boys have that mess to clean up because I said, oh, you're going to help us clean that up. And Julie's like, no, they're cleaning it up themselves. And I was like, okay, but it's going to be like midnight by the time they're done doing that on their own. Oh, well, it could be worse. They could have had a food fight up here.
I did say to my husband that he may want to have a little drink before he comes up and looks at the mess and a little drink after.
No, it's much better to have it all after.
Thumbs up.
Say goodnight, darling.
Say,
Sleepy good.
Oh, you know
Hope
what's
you
funny?
feel better.
you know what's funny? Can I say something? We started the day with our car needing jumped, and we're ending the day jumping into a pile of crap.
That was really weird. I gotta go get Cohen out of the shower because he's been in there for like 45 minutes now, so I think we're gonna end this bad boy now. So, see you next time. It's definitely been real.
It is certainly been real.
All the time before it flies. And every time you wake up, there's a new day that's calling out your name. Come join the game. Well, that's life. Take what comes along the way. That's love. Let it grow stronger every day. There's joy as the days go passing by. There's hope, a better life for you and I. We take our dreams and fly. Together we can try. That's life.